Here, live for Tamu Wadafi is Lee, and I'm bringing you the best as usual. Well, we're slamming it here hard, and you can see that the sun is actually burning us. Yep, this group are slamming each other today in Amuwadafi. Stay tuned. Busybody brings you the best. Don't change that dial. As always, one love. What are you expecting from this talent show?
I mean, I wouldn't be surprised because Amu Odofi is the home of entertainment. I mean, a lot of talent reside here. So I'm looking forward to seeing the new crop of talents that we have. And I'm waiting to be blown away, basically.
So are we too. Actually, so are you one of the judges?
Yes, I am.
Is one of the judges. Well, people, to get more updates from this event, download the Busybody app. Don't touch that dial. Follow us on all our social media handle at BusybodyNG, and trust me, you won't regret it.
My name is Oluwaseyi Adegoke Adeyemo, publisher of Inside Watch Africa.
So what are you expecting from Battle of the Sounds?
I'm expecting the discovery of new talent. I believe that for every location and area, God has placed gift and talent there. So I expect that with the Battle of the Sound, we're going to have a discovery of new talent in our of local government.
Alright, you've heard it, people. Is looking forward to discovering new talents in Amuwadafi. As usual, we're bringing you the hottest, everything you can think of. Don't touch that down. We'll stay here.
Alright, let's go to my honorable Honorable Jomo, Busybody, and all the teams in the house. I see you, KP, give you the future man. Grew up watching you on TV. Not gonna just waste time. I would like to do some freestyle for you guys, and I hope you like it. So, Super INS, the Wale, so Omoti, prostrate. I want Stada, crown here, she's straight. I've been my 2 boy and I hail from Ogun State. Egg my mind, overboard, Kelokun skate. You can't really walk, don't play level. What in our town, what we to claim level. They know this man nice, so they bounce there for venues and menu. Nobody by big mouth, Molenu. I thought I told you I'm the number 1. Number 2 number 3, and I'm still the one. I did they prescribe me like doctor, they prescribe Cameron.
A very short guy, but he's capable of so many things. Okay, wants to talk.
Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Davis Dan, video director, event manager, artist manager. Me and Chinun had to put this together because we just have to give back. We have a lot of talent around and more of it. We just hope that after this, government will support us because this is actually coming from personal pockets. It's not been easy. We are doing this all weekends in November. You should know what I've gone into this, printing, logistics and all that. Everybody here, I thank you for coming out because it's not easy to come out under this hot sun, this weather. I appreciate you guys and I know that we started and won't stop. This will be continuous and we'll continue to do this and do this because we must pull this town back to the map because everything started here.
Beyond whatever you do, beyond the life you live, your art, the works of your art is the legacy. It's part of those legacies you leave behind. Fela died some years ago, but we have Felabration and we keep celebrating Fela till whenever. I can imagine how many politicians, sorry to say that, I can imagine how many CEOs, I can imagine how many rich people have passed and they don't remember them. But when you make art, it doesn't matter who you are. When you make art a truth, you are going to be remembered. You are going to leave your names in the sands of time.
Everybody that has been involved in talent knows that what we're doing here today, it's not easy. But thank God we could pull this and we know with everybody's support, we are going to make it better.
This is why we're also encouraging the youth. We want them to see art as a way to communicate. We want them to see art as a way to liberate themselves. We want them to see art as a way to empower themselves. We want them to see art as a way to make it in life.
Thank you so much. Like I told GT earlier, it's not enough to have an idea. The most important thing is the doing of the idea. And I know that you guys have done Amuwo Games before, so you already have a template to do this, and I shared it with you, and you're able to do this today. I was even telling him that I feel guilty because it's more like I carry the weight and I put it on your shoulder, and I see how much you're struggling to do this. I'm very proud of you. I thank God for your life, and I pray that God will continue to empower you, and the most important thing is the youth empowerment that you see. Because I also believe that no matter how small, whatever we contribute to the life of other people, it would eventually come back to us in some way. So I pray that all of the things that you see in the youth of Amuwo, and I said to somebody earlier on again as well, that I like the fact that we're doing this in Festa, because it is Amuwo local government thing. I am in Amuwo, but I always wanted an opportunity to do this here so that it doesn't look like it is a Bantu thing. It is Amuwo local government. That's why we are partnering with the local government. So I'm happy that they are also fully represented here. I look forward to an exciting time. I pray that at the end of the day, the objective and the dreams that we had for this, God will make it manifest.
I want to thank every one of us that are part of these August occasions. On behalf of myself, the leader of the house, the chairman of Amuwo local government, the person of Honorable Dr. Valentine Brian, honestly speaking, I want to appreciate the organizer of this program, all the crew members, the participants, and everybody, and the viewers within this particular area. Once again, I want to appreciate your effort in form of CSR. You've been trying to give back to society. You are watching. I'm one of you. People are watching. The chairman of our mode of local government are also watching. Even the state are watching. We really appreciate your efforts, your contribution to the society and the community at large. Right from the Amuwo Games, everything is well noted. I want to advise all the participants who are here today to emulate all our experienced artists at the head table. May Almighty God continue to be with you. I want at the same time, we are going to convey all the messages to the chairman of our local government, who make it to know all what you've been doing to the community. From A to Z, we're going to show him the video clips of today's programs, and I believe by the grace of God, the chairman will do his part, and most of them will do their own part too. As the legislators, we will try our best. We appreciate you for all your efforts once again. May Almighty God continue to enrich your pockets. I believe at the end of the year, God will take you to the next level. We promise you, and all the local government will support this program. We promise you we'll do something. Before the end of this program, the chairman himself will surely attend the program. We thank you so much for giving back to society, for giving back to the community. Thank you, thank you, thank you very much. Thank you very much, Honorable Jama. A round of applause, Honorable Jama.
I'm announcing the winner. You understand? And I really appreciate every contestant. All of them, they did well. But it's not that out of all of you, everyone, we have to pick some out to contest again. We just need only one winner. You understand? But now, let me announce the winner. From the rap section, Fexstack Neptune versus Venus Crew. The winner is Fexstack Neptune.
Fexstack Neptune, the winner of the rap battle!
Gang versus Mass Aliens. Mass Aliens is the winner.
For Mass Aliens!
And Jupiter versus M2 Mercury's. The winner is M2 Mercury. Uranus versus Saturn. Winner is Saturn.
Saturn sucks. That's for the rap.
Yeah, for
the rap.
Dancehall section.
That's all.
Yeah. Fexstack Neptune versus Venus Crew. Fexstack Neptune.
Fexstack Neptune! I want the Fexstack.
Pluto Gang versus Mass Aliens. Pluto Gang.
Pluto. The homies all the way from Pluto.
Jupiter versus M2 Mercury's. M2 Mercury.
Keep it up.
Uranus versus Saturn Stars.
The Saturn Stars.
Then
For the dance song, now for the Afro Pop. Yes, y'all.
Fexstack Neptune versus Venus Crew. And Pluto versus Mass Aliens.
Yes, sir.
Jupiter versus M2 Mercury's. And the final one. Uranus versus Saturn Stars.